So under Unit 4, we have so far read some adventure of a boy and a girl, and a naughty boy, his adventure we have seen. Robinson Crusoe, his adventure we have seen. And the awards given to the adventurous boys and girls, that is children, that also we have learned. Now, we have a small incident that which occurred, that is to catch some thieves. To catch some thieves means, if at all I am a kid, say about 12 years or 13 years old, can I do so? That is a very big question. Can I do so? I don't know whether I do it or not. But a moment comes, and that is called impulsive moment అంటారు వాటిని. అంటే చట్టమని ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకొని దమ్మని ఆ పని చేసేస్తాం మనం. ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం, ఎప్పుడు చేస్తున్నాం, అలా చేస్తాం ముందు నుంచి మనం ఏం తెలియదు, దమ్మని చేసేస్తాం. దాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మొమెంటస్ యాక్షన్. అట్లాంటి యాక్షను మనకి తెలియకుండా మనం పని చేసేస్తాం. అండ్ దట్ బికమ్స్ ఏ బ్రేవరీ, ఏ డీడ్ ఆఫ్ బ్రేవరీ ఇట్ బికమ్స్. అలాంటిది ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఏర్పడింది. మనం చాలా మటుకు చూస్తూ ఉంటాం, అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం, బట్ వీ డోంట్ బాదర్ ఫర్ ఇట్. చాలే అవడో అనుకుంటాం. కానీ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఆల్ వీ గో దేర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మిస్చిఫ్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ దేర్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఏ క్రైమ్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ దేర్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ నార్మల్ థింగ్? ఇక్కడ అపార్ట్మెంట్ ఒక కల్చర్ మనకు వచ్చేసి, మనం పక్కవాడికి ఇంట్లో గొల్ల అవుతున్నా, గాలి అవుతున్నా, శబ్దం అవుతున్నా పట్టించుకోం. రైట్? ఇఫ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎ విలేజ్, విలేజ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. విలేజ్ పీపుల్, దే లివ్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ అదర్. So we are not talking about the culture, etc. But what occurred here is a boy. He goes for cricket playing. ఆ క్రికెట్ ఎక్కడ ఆడతాం మనం? జాగా దొరకకపోతే రోడ్డు మీద ఆడతాం. కొంతమంది ఆ సీన్ ఇంట్లోనే ఆడేసుకుంటారు. కొంతమంది మైదానం దొరుకుతుంది, ఆ మైదానంలో ఆడుకుంటారు. మైదానంలో ఆడుకున్న తర్వాత ఎంతవరకు ఆడతారు? బంతి కనపడినంత వరకు ఆడతారు. బాల్ వేసిన బాల్ బౌలింగ్ చేస్తే అది కనపడట్లేదు, అప్పుడు క్రికెట్ ఆట ఆపేసి అందరూ బయలుదేరిపోతారు. అలాగే ఒక కుర్రాడు అంతవరకు ఆడి చీకటి పడిపోతుందని చెప్పేసి సైకిల్ మీద ఇంటికి వచ్చేస్తున్నాడు. చుట్టూ తిరిగి వెళ్తే దూరం అవుతుందని చెప్పి మధ్యలో ఒక ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఉంటే ఆ ఫ్యాక్టరీ బౌండరీలో సైకిల్ పట్టుకెళ్తున్నాడు. అండ్ దట్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ belongs to his uncle. Fortunately or unfortunately, that factory belongs to his uncle. ఆ అంకుల్ ఫ్యాక్టరీలోంచి వెళ్తున్నాడు. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద అన్యూజువల్ థింగ్ హీ అబ్జర్వ్డ్? దట్ వాజ్ ఏ హాలిడే అండ్ దెర్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి ఎనీ పీపుల్, వర్కర్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీబడి, దెర్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి. అండ్ దెర్ షుడ్ బి ఎ వాచ్మ్యాన్. The shutter should not have been opened. These are all the unusual things when one encounters, goes through certain thing. And if it is a holiday, there are no removal of goods. Factory means it is a manufacturing factory. Manufacturing means goods are being prepared over there. అవేళ హాలిడే ఉంటే అక్కడ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ఉండదు. తర్వాత మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ లేకపోతే రిమూవల్స్ ఉండవు. అండ్ ఆ ఫ్యాక్టరీలోంచి సామాన్లు తీసి బయటకు అమ్మడం ఉండదు. సో వైల్ హీ వాజ్ సైక్లింగ్, హీ కుడ్ ఫైండ్ సర్టన్ మూమెంట్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యాక్టరీ. కొంతమంది మనుషులు బయటకు వచ్చిపోతున్నారు. షట్టర్స్ ఎత్తి ఉన్నాయి, దాని ఎదుర్కొన్న ట్రక్ పెట్టి ఉంది, ఆ ట్రక్కులోకి సామాను లోడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ పిక్యూలియర్, అన్యూజువల్, లెట్ మీ వాచ్ అని ఒక రాయి వెనకాల దాక్కున్నాడు కుర్రాడు. దాక్కుని చూస్తున్నాడు. వాళ్ళు సామాను అంతాను ట్రక్లోకి ఎక్కించారు. వీళ్ళు సామాను ట్రక్లోకి ఎక్కించారు. సో ది ట్రక్ విల్ గో అవే. If the truck goes away, to catch it is difficult. I'll have to find out whether it is a genuine removal or is it a theft. So he rode his bike in such a manner, in such a speed, he never bothered to look here and there. And straight away he goes home. There he reports the issue to the elders. The elderly people called for the police protection. And police goes over there and catch hold of the thieves. ఇది ఘటన. అయితే ఆ కుర్రాడు వెళ్ళి సైకిల్ మీద వచ్చి ఇంటికి కబురు చెప్పకపోతే సామాన్ అంతా చోరీ అయిపోయేది కదా. సో ద చైల్డ్ హ్యాజ్ ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్. ఇది ఏమిటి జరుగుతోంది, ఇవాళ హాలిడే కదా, ఇలా జరగకూడదే. దట్ వే హీ థాట్ అబౌట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ డైరెక్ట్ లెసన్ ఫర్ అస్ హౌ టు రియాక్ట్ ఫర్ సమ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. మనం చూసిన తర్వాత దానికి రియాక్ట్ ఎలా అవ్వాలి అన్నది మనకి దీంట్లో తెలుస్తుంది మనకి. రైట్? సో లెట్ us read it because it is only for listening skills. So better you hear it, I read it. One evening, Ali was cycling home after a cricket match. It was getting dark and there was no moonlight. He was in a hurry to get home. He took the shortest way home and happened to pass by his uncle's watch factory. Factory is a manufacturing factory, but what do they manufacture there? The watches. These things they manufacture there. There was a lorry truck. There was a lorry outside the factory and the gate was open. The night watchman was not there. If at all a truck is being loaded, the night watchman should be there. He is not there. Means everything is unusual. So this is very strange. Ali said to himself, I must find out more. I'll have to see more what it is. He got off his bicycle and hid it behind a big tree. As he did this, he heard heavy footsteps. He quickly went behind the tree and looked around. He saw 4 men carrying boxes to the lorry. Hey, these watches will get all of us a lot of money for the coming new year, one of them said in a low voice. All these watches which we are taking, we may get very good amount, because New Year's Day means people will be gifting to others, and the most common gift is a watch. So during this new year we are going to earn more. That way one of them talked about the watches. Ali knew at once that the men were thieves. Yes, these are not the factory workers, these are the thieves. That way you could able to understand, conclude. He kept very still and quiet. He was a little afraid and his heart went thud, thud, thud. Suppose if you are afraid of certain thing, the heartbeat will be more speedily. Thud, 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 thud. That way it will be increasing speed. Likewise, Ali also got afraid of the people, and so his heartbeat started thudding more. So he waited until the thieves had gone back into the factory to get some more watches. Then he ran to the lorry and let out the air from all the tires. You see the presence of mind. If I go home and report, meanwhile they may take the lorry and go. So what he did is, when the people went inside, he simply pressed the nozzle and got the complete air out of all the wheels. After that, he got onto his bicycle and cycled at top speed to the police station about a kilometer away. When Ali reached the police station, he was out of breath. He told the police inspector, please, sir, thieves. Because he got completely exhausted, he could not speak properly, but he has to report it. And in that anxiety, he spoke like this. Slow down, young man, the inspector said with a smile. Catch your breath first and then talk. Now, where? Because earlier message what is given, sir, please sir, thieves. దొంగలు అని చెప్పేసి అయిపోతున్నాయి, ఎక్కడ దొంగలు ఉన్నారు? That we have to convey. So inspector said, calm down young man, tell me, you take the breath, now steady it, now tell me, where are the thieves? My uncle's factory in Vikhroli. Vikhroli is a suburb in Mumbai. Just like your Lingampalli and Sanat Nagar, Bharat Nagar, these are all there, no? And Begumpet, these are all suburbs of Hyderabad. Likewise, suburb Vikhroli, a suburb for Mumbai. So Vikhroli in my uncle's factory. 4 of them, I have let out the air from the tires of their lorry. I have seen 4 of them. They are carrying the watches boxes and they are keeping in the lorry. And what I did is I flattened all the 4 tires. I removed the air from the tires. Very good, said the inspector. We will go there at once. We will go there immediately. Immediately is at once. You can come with us if you like. Ali got into the police car with the inspector. They drove off and another police car followed them. Ali was excited. This was the first time he had travelled in a police car and with the siren on. Soon they reached the factory. The thieves were taken completely by surprise. They tried to run away, but the policemen caught them and took them to the police station. Now, this is the first time for Ali to travel in a police jeep. And we have seen police jeep, Innovas. Many Innovas are there. And they have the siren and the lights. So as soon it was complained, the police inspector took him in his car and there was one more car behind. Both the cars went to the Vikhroli, to the place of crime. That is the factory. When the thieves heard the siren, which is going on, cow, 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 it was going on. By hearing this, they wanted to run away. But the police got down and nabbed them, caught them, everybody. So, it is the first time for Ali to travel in a police jeep. The inspector took Ali home in his car. Because of Ali, they could able to catch the thieves. So, Ali was dropped at home in the same police car. Suppose a police car comes to your house. How do your father and mother feel? How do your grandparents feel? What is this? Why the police people have come? Has my son done something? Is he all right? These are all the questions they face. Same thing happened. He told Ali that his men would bring his bicycle to him later. You go home and I will send your bicycle home. Ali's father and mother were glad to see their son. They had been afraid that something had happened to him. When the inspector told them what Ali had done, they were very happy and proud. If at all you do a certain thing, the first people who become proud is your parents. They are the first people to become happy and feel proud. Right? So Ali has done a good thing, and so his parents were happy and proud. On the New Year's Day, Ali's uncle presented him with a new bicycle. Because of the bicycle, because he was returning back from the play, he could able to catch, he could able to, what we can say is evade a great loss which his uncle was to face. Now, uncle was pleased, and so he purchased a new bicycle for him. This is a short story dependent on an incident, a real incident. So, to show the children are extraordinarily brave, they can also think, they can use their presence of mind, and that thing we are to encourage. Right? That is what we are learning here under text to listening. Now we will go for the grammar. What is there in unit